Hi, parents, students, guardians of seniors of the graduating class of 2020. It's May 1st. I'm Kirk Marshland, LRHS principal. I'm going to be going over some of the updates that we have for our graduation. So the first thing is based off the survey data and the feedback that we got from parents and students and guardians, we've kind of landed on a couple things. And just as a reminder, our graduation date is set for Saturday, June 13th at 7 p.m. The format will be utilizing the football field for a modified in-person formal ceremony with a virtual component. So what does virtual mean? All class speakers and speeches will be pre-recorded, and then we will assemble those videos and recordings into a presentation that will be played during the graduation ceremony. We will be organized to follow social distancing guidelines, and we'll have more information on what that looks like as we go. Addressing announcements. So we've had a couple problems come up. Some people have said that they've already bought their announcements that are dated June 6th. And then how do we follow social distancing guidelines when sending out our announcements to people for inviting them to our ceremonies? Well, one solution could be that we add a note to the announcement that provides them with the adjusted information. To address the social distancing guidelines is utilizing vehicles, radio broadcast, and digital streaming to ensure that we can get this ceremony live feed out to as many people as we can. And then we can limit the number of people that can attend the live event. So this addresses that social distancing guideline issue. And of course, we will be making sure that we are following every guideline that the CDC, Governor Inslee, has laid out for us in the health department. Our organization, basic organization is that we will have 10 students at a time on the field that will receive their diploma, any awards, certifications. Students will wait in their vehicles in an organized procession format. And we'll have more details to come on what that looks like. Each group of students will have their pictures taken and then cropped into a larger class photo so that we can still have that class photo of our seniors. Each student will receive their diploma, awards, and other materials in a commemorative LRHS Class of 2020 bag. Seniors will still dress in their caps and gowns, and will be expected to do a rehearsal on Friday, June 12th. More details will come on the time of that rehearsal. I know that our senior class advisors are still working on doing that senior breakfast on that day to keep up with the tradition. So more information will come on what that will look like for us doing a rehearsal too. We will be updating the graduation information weekly, so please visit our Facebook, Instagram pages, as well as our website for more information so that you can be up to date and have the most current information on what graduation looks like. And again, please feel free to contact me at the school. Contact 631-1442. You may contact your teachers and ask them for more information, and hopefully they'll be able to get you direct to what you need to know. So again, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.